Artur Vage, height 2.13 meters. He is a Russian volleyball player, a member of Russian men's national volleyball team and Russian club Zenit Kazan. On March 2013, he achieved with Lokomotiv Novosibirsk gold medal of the Champions League 2012-13. In 2013, he won the gold medal of the Universiade. He was a member of the Russian team at the Olympics 2016 and he received an individual award for the best middle blocker. Alexey Valeryevich Kazakov, height 2.16 meters. He is a Russian volleyball player. Kazakov was a member of the national team that won the bronze medal at the 2004 Summer Olympics in Athens. 4 years earlier in Sydney, he gained the silver medal. He is 2.16 meters tall, making him one of the tallest athletes in the world. Kwin Dyke, height 2.16 meters. He is a Dutch professional volleyball player, a member of Netherlands men's national volleyball team in 2003 to 2013 and Persian club Pekan Tehran Volleyball Club. A participant of the Olympic Games Athens 2004. A silver medalist of the European League 2008. Belgium champion 2008, Slovenian champion 2011. Bartlomiej Limanski, height 2.17 meters. He is one of the youngest middle blockers on the team. He currently plays for ASEC Sofia. In 2014-2015 was amongst 10 best middle blockers of the season. A quiet and hard-working player with a lot of will and potential. Grenan Zenata, height 2.17 meters. He is a Brazilian indoor volleyball player who by acting juvenile Brazilian team won the world title in 2009 in India. As the new national team won bronze in the 2011 Summer Universiade. And the senior national team got the silver medal in the 2011 World League and won the same medal in the same competition in 2013. His main strength beside his height is his unusually good coordination and movement. He leaps very high and when set right almost can't be stopped. We don't need to mention his blocking ability, which is amazing also, said Erevan's executive. Dmitri Merski, height 2.18 meters. He is a Russian volleyball player. Merski is the tallest volleyball player in the world. His spike reaches 375 centimeters. He is a member of Russian volleyball team. Merski is currently playing for Century Sunbirds, Japanese V-League. The Iranian giant Murtaza Mehrzad, who was left to live in seclusion in a remote village located in north of Iran, has now turned to a game-changing player for the Iranian sitting volleyball team and has graced the page of the Guinness World Records as the tallest Paralympian ever in the history of the Games. With a staggering height of 246 centimeters, Murtaza was invited to a TV talk show in 2009. Murtaza was spotted by sitting volleyball coach afterwards and began his sporting career at the local club. Few years later, Murtaza was called up to national sitting volleyball team and brought the 6th Paralympic gold for Iran in the gold medal match at Rio 2016. At Tokyo 2020, Murtaza and his teammate brought the 7th gold for Iran.